welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a green cheek girl makeup. Let's just start it. Now it's time for foundation. I usually apply like this. I usually apply the concealer here and bit here, scar, and here. Blender. I love this. I bought it new. This is a set. This is amazing. Can easily apply under our eyes. First step, I'm going to apply the skin color green one. I'm going to apply slightly to make it a huge line like this one, but I want to make it a like small one. As you see, I'm not blending too hard. Spread all over the eyes. I'm just blending like this after applying and then blending. Yeah. Golden eyeliner, golden eye pencil. You can blend it easily with. I just apply the eyeliner, this green one. Next step is mascara. Next step is this one, bronzer. Just going to apply like this. I want to give the look to lift my face like this. That's why I'm blending to like this. Nose, I only apply to like this. I'm making my just doing it. Final step is this lipstick. Apply it with this brush, and that's why it's fine. So that's the video. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to apply anything else. This is a simple green cheek look, and I think this is perfect look. So what do you think about this? What's your thoughts about this look, guys? Just tell me in the comments. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.